Welcome to the session on Social Security Integration. We will discuss the following topics: applying for Aadhaar card and updating Aadhaar card. By the end of this topic, you will be able to book an appointment to apply for a new Aadhaar card, update information on your Aadhaar card, and download your e-Aadhaar card. Social security integration in India has been addressed through several initiatives. For all these initiatives, the prerequisite is Aadhaar card. Let us now understand what is an Aadhaar card. Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identity number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, to every individual residing in India. The Aadhaar card has many features. It is a unique identifier. Every citizen is given a unique number which does not change over time. Biometric data. Aadhaar stores biometric information such as fingerprints and iris scans to ensure accurate identification. Demographic information. Basic details like name, date of birth, gender, and address are stored in the Aadhaar card. Wide acceptance. Aadhaar is widely accepted by government and private organizations for various purposes, including banking, telecom services, and government subsidies. Let us now understand the purpose of an Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card has become an essential document for a number of reasons. Firstly, many government schemes require that citizens link their Aadhaar number to their bank account. This is done to ensure that funds are directly transferred to people. Banks and other financial institutions rely on the use of Aadhaar for KYC, Know Your Customer, verification, which facilitates smooth transactions. The Aadhaar number is also used as an acceptable identity proof for passport applications, mobile SIM cards, and property registration. Finally, Aadhaar number has enabled biometric authentication, leading to increase in the level of security during online and offline transactions. Let us understand the process for applying for an Aadhaar card. Applying for Aadhaar card is a two-fold process. You can apply for an Aadhaar card by physically visiting an Aadhaar enrollment center. Aadhaar requires biometric information, fingerprints and iris scans, which can only be collected at a physical Aadhaar enrollment center. You can do some activities online which include booking an appointment for enrollment or updates at an Aadhaar Seva Kendra. You can check the status of your Aadhaar application online. Once your Aadhaar is generated, you can download the e-Aadhaar online. You can update your address, mobile number, and other details online. Let us look at how to book an appointment for an Aadhaar card. Go to the official website of UIDAI. You can easily find it by searching for it on Google. Tap on the link and enter the website. Tap on My Aadhaar. Within the Get Aadhaar section, click on Book an Appointment. This will help you book an appointment at an Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Select the city location from the drop-down where you wish to seek an appointment. Click on Proceed to book appointment. Enter your mobile number and the CAPTCHA in the input boxes. Click on Get OTP. An OTP is sent to the entered mobile number. Enter the OTP received and click on Verify OTP. In the next section, you can fill in the appointment details, which is the first part of the application process, like your date of birth, state, city, and other details asked. You can proceed with the second part of the application process. This part requires the applicant to fill in personal details and address details. Fill in all the requested information. The third part of the application process is where you choose the date and time to book an appointment to get your Aadhaar card. Select the available date and time slot. The last part of the application process is to review and check all your details. Once you have reviewed the details, click Submit to confirm your appointment. You will receive a message confirming your appointment. After submitting the appointment booking form, let us now check how to track the application status. You can click on Check Aadhaar Update Status in the UIDAI website. Enter your enrollment number and the mentioned date and time as per the acknowledgement slip. Click on Submit. The status of your Aadhaar card is displayed, including whether it is under process, generated, or any other information. You can download your Aadhaar card through a simple process. Go to the UIDAI website, click on My Aadhaar tab on the menu. Click on Download Aadhaar. Select your Aadhaar number to check it. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number. Enter the CAPTCHA that is displayed. Click Send OTP. An OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP that you received on your mobile number. Click on Validate and Download. Once you validate the OTP, you can download your e-Aadhaar card. You can also update information in your Aadhaar card. Navigate to the UIDAI website. Click on Update Aadhaar. Click on Update Aadhaar at Enrollment Update Center. Next, locate an enrollment center that is near to you. You can choose any of the three options to search for an enrollment center: state, postal PIN code, search box. You can select State to find enrollment centers. Then you can find out various enrollment centers and choose any one of them to update or modify your Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card is your unique identification, therefore, it is important to safeguard it with utmost responsibility. While Aadhaar offers you numerous benefits, it's crucial to protect your Aadhaar details. Follow 3 simple rules. Avoid sharing, securing your device, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Don't share your Aadhaar number or biometric information with anyone unless absolutely necessary. You can protect your smartphone and computer with strong passwords and antivirus software to prevent unauthorized access. You should be cautious of fraudulent emails or messages asking for your Aadhaar details. Thank you.